¿Qué es that? Tú como que no me guardaste ni un hágame su cosito. You say me none. No me hables. No digo nada. Omega es real. ¿Quieres? Haces un don.
Solange, talk. Get a balloon.
Get high off this shit.
Get a balloon and say something. Talk, Randy. Randy, have a conversation with Solange. She's gonna do it too.
Okay, let's have a discussion.
That's stupid.
It's never worked before. Why are you always laughing? You just never get to say anything. Just stop laughing.
Go for it.
It sounds so weird
Because it's coming from me.
Phil, are you gonna do it too?
No, I don't know.
Phil, just breathe the air in and talk.
Alright, Bobby. What you get? 2% or 1?
I know his nickname is Midnight after like 2 months. And it's sunshine over here.
Bobby, you gonna do it? They go, Phil, do it.
They call me Thunder.
Lightning.
That's my stage name.
Just breathe it in, Phil, and talk. Breathe it in as much as you can.
You look like you're sucking
I
up.
bet that's the way you can work in the clubs too.
Wait, hold on.
One thing I said.
Phil's gonna talk. Phil, you gotta breathe in.
All that air.
Do it
All that
now. No, all that air for now.
Wait, hold on, hold
You
on.
feel sick?
Ahora,
No
dale.
way. I get hard, dude.
Damn.
It's called tough for me.
Talk, Phil, talk.
Those normal boys.
Do it, Phil.
It's gone.
All that air. Do it, Phil. You only said 3
All
words.
that air for nothing. You can't even do that. Just hold it in and let it out.
Go, Phil, go, do it.
Oh, yo,
Here,
Bobby,
record it.
I'm
It's recording.
ticket,
I'm gonna have
bro.
a conversation with Randy.
Hold on, that shit don't...
It's recording, it's recording.
Don't let me know nothing.
Randy, come on, we're gonna have a conversation.
You gotta go park in my
I am, but...
No, but there's a place where
You gotta go first.
You know how to do it? You put in the number, you should put in the
Randy, go.
I don't have the ticket, though.
No, you need that number. You need the ticket because they have the number and
Yo, hold on, hold on.
I got it. You gotta tell me something though.
But where is the ticket? It has the
I'm gonna
number.
tell you, lovely.
180, huh?
I want you to tell me your name. Your whole name after 12.
It's on the license.
It matches your skin.
It's on the plate.
My name is Audrey. Audrey after midnight. Audrey.
All I have it on me is on the plate.
Audrey Bonquisha, no you
But
didn't. Audrey Bonquisha from Queens. No you didn't. No you
Yo, man,
didn't.
I'm not Xbox, so I'm told those gonna get there. Those niggas 12 years old.
I'm from the Bronx. I live in Washington Heights, but I work in Brooklyn.
You're that white girl that did that video.
Yeah, I do.
I need a balloon. Come on, man.